everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Ishita with two E's, and this is going to be a much requested Urbanic winter haul. Actually, it's like a mix because I have ordered pants, tops and jackets. So yeah. Also, before I forget, we are running the 100k giveaway series, so this video is also going to have a giveaway, so watch till the end. Also, मैंने Urbanic का winter collection पहले भी review किया है, I will link it. I have reviewed Urbanic के sweaters from Myntra, I will link it. And now let's begin with this order. So I placed my order on 13th November, and one of the items which was from the fast delivery category, surprisingly, वो literally 16th November को आ गया था 3 दिन में, and the rest of the order collectively came on 27th. Also, can you see the curls? Oh my god, my hair is finally that long कि I can curl them. Actually, I didn't do these curls. I was doing a reel with some brand, so उसके लिए करवाए मैंने, and yeah, it looks so good. अभी थोड़ा makeup and all बहुत ज़्यादा over है with this outfit, I know, but I'm shooting this right after shooting that reel the entire day, so yeah, kind of just ignore it. So I have been looking for the perfect brown या फिर beige straight wide leg pants. तो मैंने 2 pants order करी just to see कौन सी fit हो जाए, कौन सी looks nice. So the first one is the one that was kind of expensive. This costed me almost 1600 rupees. So इसका pant is that proper formal pants वाला कपड़ा, जो पापा की pants नहीं होती, बिल्कुल वैसा वाला feel है इसका. ये sort of मुझे mid waist होती है, but I have to say it's really tight on me, जो कि मेरी गलती है. I shouldn't have ordered S. जब मैंने order place किया था तब I was kind of losing weight and I was very consistent with the workouts and all. तो मुझे लगा था by the time this arrives, I will be able to fit into it. I'm actually very happy with this because इसका color and all is exactly what I wanted. बस ये fitting थोड़ी ऊपर नीचे है. I like how the structure of it is. इसके आगे proper pleats हैं. So if you're somebody who's working in an office, ये perfect होगा. If you are in college, this would make for a very aesthetic Pinteresty look. I knew it. पीछे it has just the fake pockets वाला look. Pockets तो दे ही नहीं सकते, but आगे pockets हैं. Decent length pockets. It's a straight cut. So this is exactly what I wanted, but I wanted something a little more loose and थोड़ा और length में ज़्यादा, because I like to wear boots and all. I feel like this कपड़ा is good enough for अभी का weather. Like थोड़े से winters आने लग गए, skin dry होने लग गई है, patchy होने लग गई है. तो उस weather में this would be good, but I know आगे जाके I will have to wear the warmers inside it. मुझे याद है last year की सर्दियों में मैंने पापा की एक पैंट्स ऐसे ही स्टाइल की थी. आई इंक्लूड द रील हियर. मुझे बड़ा मजा आया था. तब से आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर समथिंग लाइक दैट. एज आई मेंशन, वेदर चेंज होने लग गया है एंड आई नो इस टाइम पे अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल गो थ्रू सिवियर हेयर फॉल, इंक्लूडिंग माई सेल्फ. And I have the solution for that, which is Wow Skin Science की Red Onion Black Seed Oil Hair Care range. The red onion is that simple ingredient that will give you nourished, dandruff-free and long, strong hair. It basically has sulfur, antibacterial and antifungal properties. Hence, it is used to strengthen the hair and give all the nourishment to the hair for a healthy growth. And as I mentioned, इस range में red onion के साथ black seed oil भी है, which is known to rejuvenate the hair follicles. Now, this range has 3 products. The first one is the hair oil, which will reduce your hair fall and also make your hair shinier and stronger. It comes in this very convenient packaging, जिससे you can apply the oil straight at your roots, at your scalp. That's where it needs to work its magic. It's not extremely greasy, that I have to say. I mean, मैं इसे हमेशा use करती हूँ. Like a night before, I have to wash my hair so that the oil stays overnight on my scalp. It has a mix of almond, castor, coconut and jojoba oil, which helps with the damage that has been done to your hair and also keeps it all nourished. And the next morning, I go ahead with the shampoo and conditioner from the same range. Now, they're both very gentle and tame the frizz, and it's also suitable for all hair types. They will leave your hair stronger and shinier with every wash. Whether you are suffering from the seasonal hair fall, hair thinning, or the general dryness, do give this hair care range a try. You can buy the Wow Skin Science products from their app and also keep an eye on their discounts that keep on popping on their app. Also, I'll leave all the links in the description box so that it's easier for you guys to check them out. नेक्स्ट आई हैव अनदर पेयर ऑफ ब्राउन पैंट्स. नाउ देखने में पिक्चर में बिल्कुल लग रहा है ना हाई वेस्टेड है, बट ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. Like it turned out to be something else. पहली चीज, इसका मटेरियल इज थोड़ा डिफरेंट. इट हैज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ स्ट्रेच. ऑल्सो इसके पीछे इलास्टिक है. Probably the reason why this somehow fits me. ना मुझे इसकी फिटिंग बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं लगी, बिल्कुल नहीं. आई थिंक इसका सामने का जो सीम एरिया है ना, इन सीम, दैट इज वेरी वेरी शॉर्ट. It's not even mid waist on me, so I did not like it. This was half the price of that. This one is just for 833 rupees. I didn't like how it fits me नीचे भी and ऊपर waist के around भी. And सामने से तो उसमें इतनी अजीब सी fitting है. I don't know what is wrong with these pants, but yeah. Now I have 4 more items and 2 summer items है, 2 winter items है. So आजकल me and my brother, we are obsessed with varsity jackets. I feel like they are very very cool. You get a lot of varsity jackets being sold on Instagram for almost 1400-1500 rupees thrift stores पे, but वो obviously बहुत आराम से sold out हो जाती हैं. So थक हार के I ordered 2 varsity jackets just to check if it's worth the money. Now this one is a black and beige ka combo. I got this size and this one costed me 1414 rupees. Return के लिए मैं file कर चुकी हूँ already. I do love the print and all, but पहली चीज I was very surprised that ये बहुत ही हल्की jackets है. Like when you look at them, you feel like these would be heavy duty, thick, fleeced varsity jackets, but they're not. I don't know if it's only with Urbanic या जो वो thrift stores पे भी चीजें बेच रहे हैं, that is also going to be of the same category because this is not going to help me in winters. It's like very patla. How do I show you? Almost पतली वाली sweatshirts जो होती है ना, वैसा सा कपड़ा है इसका. It's just इसकी शेप काफ़ी अच्छी है and it retains its shape when you wear it. इसलिए लगता है कि ये काफ़ी मोटी है, you know, fluffy सी जैकेट होगी, but it's not. And इस वाले पर्टिकुलर वार्सिटी जैकेट की वाइब बहुत ही वो रेसर वाली है. It has a racing thing का पूरा logo and gasoline and all. काफ़ी, you know, I would have still kept this with me. Yes, I have filed for a return of this only because this doesn't even have pockets. Like ठीक है, ये पतली है, at least it looks good, but if you don't give me pockets in my jacket, I cannot do this, बिल्कुल नहीं. So I filed for a return of this, but मेरे भाई को ये बहुत पसंद आ रही है. So M उसको थोड़ा छोटा है, so he might order something like L या फिर XL. Varsity jackets are like unisex. Anybody can wear them. It does look good, obviously, but if you are ready to compromise on the thickness of the material and also having no pockets, only then go for it. वरना ये बड़ा, I don't know, मेरे को तो घाटे का सौदा, सही बोला मैंने, घाटे का सौदा. Moving to the next jacket. I don't know कौन से नशे में मैंने ये order place किया था. I ordered 2 of the same jackets. See, I was very confused when I was placing this order. तो मैंने notice नहीं किया कि मैं वो एक jacket 2 बार add कर चुकी हूँ and yeah. Now this one gives that university varsity jacket wali vibe. It has because of the logos and all. This I got in the blue color. इसमें yellow green नहीं था, इसमें yellow, red and blue था. This one is actually costlier than the black one, but इसका कपड़ा ये उससे पतला, बहुत पतला कपड़ा है ये, बहुत पतला. I think black वाले से भी ज़्यादा पतला कपड़ा है ये. So I don't know what to say. पता नहीं, बहुत ही अजीब सा सिंथेटिक सा कपड़ा है. I have to say I liked the style. I loved the fact that इसमें pockets हैं. इसको पहन के मेरे को प्रॉपर पता नहीं क्यों कुछ होता है वाली अंजलि वाली वाइब आ रही थी. I really want to keep it. I really liked it, but at the same time ये बहुत thin है and it's almost like 1550 rupees का. So hello, so this is the editing Ishita, completely different from the glam version. So आज के giveaway का time हो चुका है and I'm giving away 2 eyeshadow palettes from Cuffs and Lashes, a beautiful pink eyeliner, like that is one of my all-time favorites, and 2 plum products to one of you guys. All you have to do is follow me on all my socials and leave a comment below about how you followed me, like which video made you follow this channel, and yeah. Now let's continue with the vlog. Now moving ahead to the 2 summer items that I got. Yeah, so the first item is a Simplicity half placket t-shirt. And इसका review बहुत ही short and crisp होने वाला है. So obviously you can see I'm not wearing that top because this is the freaking length of that top. Like मेरे boobs start भी नहीं हो रहे वहाँ से. That's where it ends. That's my review.
दो द टॉप लुक्स रिब्ड बट ये काफ़ी पतला है, तो अगर आप पहनोगे एंड ये थोड़ा भी स्ट्रेच होगा इट कैन गेट ट्रांसपेरेंट। एंड मैं जब इसे ट्राई करने की कोशिश भी कर रही थी आई कुड लिटरली हियर टॉप टियरिंग अपार्ट, सो मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया था।
See, the thing is, M from Myntra and Ajio fits me. तो मेरे दिमाग में बैक एंड पे यही चल रहा है कि अर्बैनिक में भी वही हो जाएगा। मैं कभी कभी ध्यान नहीं देती हूँ कि दिस इज अर्बैनिक। This brand doesn't consider mid-size and plus-size women at all. I feel like India में I'm not even the average mid-size person. बट अगर मुझे कपड़े ढूंढने में इतनी दिक्कत होगी तो आई कांट इवन इमेजिन व्हाट पीपल बिगर देन मी मस्ट बी गोइंग थ्रू। इट्स सो सैड। एनीवेज, दैट वाज द रिव्यू अबाउट दिस टॉप। मुझे स्टाइल बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था। इफ यू सी हाउ इट कप्स अराउंड द ब्रेस्ट, मुझे वो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था। एंड आई फेल्ट लाइक इफ आई गो ऑन अ बीच वेकेशन, वाइड लेग पैंट्स के साथ ऐसा टॉप वुड लुक सो वार्म। बट लास्ट आइटम इज अ टी शर्ट जो मुझे बहुत कूल लगी थी। I actually thought it's like an oversized t-shirt which would be like a bodysuit, so you can easily tuck it in your shorts and all. मेरे दिमाग में ये आइडिया ना, इसलिए मैंने जल्दी इसको ऐड कर लिया था बिकॉज ये दोनों टॉप्स वर्थ समवेयर अराउंड 438 रुपीज। एक्चुअली ये दोनों मुझे बाय वन गेट वन फ्री के ऑफर में मिल गया था क्योंकि दोनों पे 50% ऑफ हुआ है मुझे। बट व्हेन आई ट्राइड इट, इसका स्टाइल ही है। I actually fail to understand street style nowadays and चलो मैं ऐसे पहन भी लूँगी because I do like the style, like the baggy loose sleeves and how it fits me on the shoulders. I liked this t-shirt until I wore it. इसके साइड में there is no coverage at all. So I don't know what to do with this t-shirt, but at the same time I feel like वो जो खाकी पैंट्स मैंने सबसे पहले दिखाई थी and ये t-shirt are the only two things that I really like from this haul. मेरा बहुत मन है इस t-shirt को रिटर्न ना करूँ, but at the same time I know whenever I wear this I would be like the butt of the joke हर जगह। मतलब हर कोई इस पे कमेंट करेगा and I'm not ready for that kind of attention अभी तो अपनी जिंदगी में। मेरे दिमाग में आइडिया ये था कि I have a pair of shorts which are comparatively longer. So उसके साथ ऐसी t-shirt would make such a cute look. I could pair it with some orange sliders because इस पे जो logo है इस पे orange and yellow है थोड़ा सा, and probably have like a shoulder bag or something. It would look really cute on a beach, but and with this we've come to the end of this vlog of this Urbanic haul. I feel like this is the last time I'm ordering from Urbanic because A, I really don't understand most of their styles. B, most of the styles are just not size inclusive. Like I always knew it, but अब मेरे को ज़्यादा लग रहा है. So yeah, that was all for this video. Do participate in the giveaway because yeah, I really want to give the love back to you guys. Thank you so much for the 100k. That is like the best thing that could happen to me this year. And yeah, that is all for this video. I'll see you next time. Bye. क्या कर रहे हो?
तुम बाय हो गया ना तुम्हारा?
नहीं, मेरे को आगे बोलना है अभी।